Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Ninja Double Stack 7.6 litre air fryer. This thing is stacked, literally. It's got dual baskets but in a vertical design, which is a game changer for saving counter space. Let's unbox it and see if it's worth the hype. On the front we've got a big image of the Ninja Double Stack 7.6 litre air fryer, showcasing its unique vertical design. It highlights the sync and match cook features, allowing two different foods to finish at the same time. The side of the box here is showing the drawers being at 3.8 litres each and the appliance being a height of 38.5 centimetres. And on the other side there's a comparison of different Ninja air fryers, showing the double stack model, the dual drawer model and the large single compartment version, so you can see how they differ. On the back it highlights that it's 25% slimmer than the other models. It also showcases air fryer technology, a stack design with two independently controlled drawers that let you cook up to 4 foods at once, and a metal rack included for an elevated design that allows superheated air to surround your food. Now let's get inside and see what's included. First we are presented here with an envelope. Let's have a look. First up we have the manual, always handy. Let's have a quick glance. This basically gives you info on the function buttons, what to do before first use, using your air fryer and cleaning and maintenance. Next is the quick start guide, which has tips and tricks, cooking charts and some recipes for you. Next is a leaflet helping you build your meal using the racks and crisper plates. These show how to do it in steps. Lastly, we've got the slip with a warning. Don't place the appliance on hot surfaces or near gas or a heated oven. Let's get back to unboxing. It's packaged well to protect it from damage. Let's take this off. I'll give you a quick look at what I'm seeing. Let's take some more of this cardboard out. Let me just move these and make some room. Right, now I've got all the cardboard filler out, let's get this out. It does weigh a bit. It's comparable to a small microwave or a compact gaming PC. I think it actually weighs 9.7 kilograms. And here we go, now for the big reveal. Right off the bat, the build quality looks high quality. It's a nice sleek design. This would look good on any countertop. I can't wait to try it. I don't know if you can tell, the drawer handles look like stainless steel, but they're actually plastic with a metallic finish. This air fryer comes with 6 cooking functions: air fry for crispy fries and nuggets, max crisp for that extra crunch, roast for meats and veggies, bake, cakes, cookies, you name it, reheat, better than a microwave, dehydrate for making dried fruits or jerky. Let's remove these so we can get a better look at the air fryer. There's some masking tape securing the drawers on either side and a plastic wrap covering the unit from top to bottom. This is just added protection for the appliance in transport. Now let's take out the 2 drawers and have a look inside. The handles are firm, there's a nice feel to it. You can see the grills are wrapped securely and protected with brown paper. Let's unwrap the grill. You'll notice that there's this kind of leaflet stuck here. It gives you the guidance on how to cook 2 different types of food in the same drawer. This grill will sit in the middle of the drawer with the food above it and below it. You also have an additional shelf, the crisper plate, here at the bottom. So if you want anything extra crispy, you take it out, you see these rubbers, you turn the plate and these rubbers sit in the grooves on the side in the middle of the drawer. Let me show you. This basically allows extra air to come in and give you crispier food on the top shelf. You could also have another food cooking at the bottom. At the back we've got the main vent, which helps release excess heat while cooking. But what's really clever is this small nub at the bottom. Ninja has placed this here so you don't have to worry about leaving a gap. It automatically ensures the right amount of space for ventilation. On the sides, there are additional vents that need to be kept clear for airflow. However, Ninja has designed the control panel to extend outward slightly, so even if you place it close to a wall or another appliance, there's still enough room for proper ventilation. Alright, let's take a look at the controls. You've got drawer 1 and drawer 2, and on the control panel you can see the numbers 1 and 2 which correspond to each drawer. Let's turn it on. To start, I'll press drawer 1, then select the cooking function. Let's go with air fry. I'll keep the temperature at 200 and set the time for 20 minutes. Now for drawer 2, I'll select it, choose the roast function, and then I'll set the temperature to 180. And then I'll set the time to 30 minutes. Once that's done, I'll press start. You'll notice that both times appear on the display, but since drawer 2 is set for a longer cooking time, it will finish after drawer 1. Now here's where the sync function comes in. If you want both drawers to finish at the same time, simply reset the program. I'll select drawer 1 again, and I'll set it to air fry at 200 for 20 minutes. Then go back to drawer 2, set it to roast, and we'll do that again as same before at 180 for 30 minutes. Before pressing start, hit the sync button. This will automatically adjust the timing so both drawers finish cooking together. When I press start, you'll see the display shows hold. This means the second drawer will wait until the timing lines up so they both complete simultaneously. This is a real cool feature. Overall, my first impression is that this air fryer is really well designed, especially with the stacked layout. It saves counter space while still offering plenty of capacity. I also think Ninja's done a great job with the ventilation. It's well thought out. The build quality feels solid and the digital display gives it a modern touch. The buttons do require firm press, kind of like some microwaves, but that's not a big deal. I'm excited to put this to the test. Would you guys like to see a full cooking test with this air fryer? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.